In today's video, I'm going to teach you finish your artwork. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export a clean, web-ready file that looks great and loads quickly without getting lost in complicated settings. Start by heading to the top menu and choosing File, then Export, and then Save for Web, sometimes labeled Legacy. This panel is designed to prepare images specifically for online use. It lets you see a live preview, compare quality at different settings, and keep your file size under control so your work looks sharp without being heavy to download. Next, choose the file format that fits your artwork. If you're exporting a photo or anything with lots of color gradients and detail, pick JPEG. It's efficient and can look excellent at reasonable compression levels. If your piece is a graphic, logo, or interface element with crisp edges, flat colors, or transparency, choose PNG. PNG keeps edges sharp and supports clear backgrounds. If your artwork uses a limited color palette or includes a simple animation, select GIF. It's best for basic graphics and small looping visuals, though it's not ideal for complex color. Now adjust the settings to fine-tune the balance between clarity and size. For JPEG, use the quality control to dial in compression. A higher number preserves more detail but increases the file size. A lower number shrinks the file but may introduce visible artifacts. Keep an eye on the preview and estimated file size so you can find the sweet spot that looks good and loads fast. If your design needs a transparent background, like a logo that should sit cleanly on a web page, make sure transparency is enabled. This is essential for PNGs and can also apply to certain GIFs. If you don't need transparency, leaving it off can slightly reduce the file size. Set the image size for